Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough power and a network connection so updates or verifications won't fail. Next, open Settings and navigate to Security or Biometrics and Passwords. This is where Fingerprint options live. You'll be prompted to confirm your backup PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it. Once done, you can see enrolled fingerprints. This direct verification step prevents accidental lockouts and confirms you are authorized to remove a fingerprint. You now choose Fingerprint Management or the fingerprints list inside Security. Tap the specific fingerprint label you want to remove. It might show as Fingerprint 1, 2, etc. When you select it, the system asks you to remove or delete. Confirm the deletion. Make sure to re-authenticate with your PIN or pattern when prompted so the phone accepts the change. After confirmation, the entry disappears from the list. This prevents that digit from unlocking the device going forward. You finish by locking the device and testing that the removed fingerprint no longer unlocks it. This verifies success. If the fingerprint still works, restart your Realme and repeat the removal. Sometimes settings need a reboot to apply. If problems persist, remove all fingerprints and re-add only the ones you want or backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to back up before resetting, because that erases personal data and ensures you can restore settings afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.